Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one today. It is the Sunday. It is the revealing of who won the Bestarc plasma cutter, the second one that they sent out to me. Did the competition 4 weeks ago, and as I said in the video, you leave a comment on that video, you subscribe to the channel, you like the video, and that will put you in for a chance to winning it. I know it was only up for a month, and the video hasn't got a huge amount of views, 160 something views, and only 5 people commented. So the chances of any of those 5 people winning were very, very high. Unfortunately, 2 people were from America, so thank you very much to Froyo and Starfire for commenting. Unfortunately, it was just a bit too far for me to send this plasma cutter. So the other 3 people that did comment were Philip, Jason and Ash. All 3 of these are friends of mine, and so yeah, it was literally, I've tossed a coin and it was Jason who has won the plasma cutter. Luckily he actually only lives just around the corner from me, so insert picture here of Jason receiving the BTC 500 DP plasma cutter. Yeah, sorry Phil, sorry Ash, also friends of mine. I am lucky that I do have friends that support this channel, and yeah, unfortunately, a few people on Facebook thought this was a scam. It's not a scam. I've just given it away. There goes Jason again with his new plasma cutter. I just gave it away. It's absolutely fine. You know, as I'm going to be getting new tools and upgrading, I'm going to be giving things away. So yeah, anyway, thank you to everybody who did watch the previous video. If you have any questions about the plasma cutter or anything like that, then please just drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, stay tuned to the channel because I do have some more little giveaways that I'm going to be doing in the future. Just some small things, and you are going to see Jason coming up very soon in some other videos. We are working on a couple of small projects together. So yeah, you're going to see a little bit more of him. I have a lot of interesting, new and interesting stuff coming up soon. So once again, thank you to Bestarc for the plasma cutter, the BTC 500 DP. This is an epic piece of kit. I absolutely love it. Jason's going to give me updates later on as well to see how he gets on with it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure he's going to enjoy using it as much as I did. So anyway, that's it. Short one for today. So you got off lightly. Thanks very much. And as always, stay awesome.